Hello, I'm Marcus Weeks from PPG, and today we're answering your questions about how much does a pool renovation cost. One of the reasons why that question isn't as simple to answer as you'd like is that there are so many items that can be renovated in and around a pool. To start with, we look at the pool coping tile, which is the tile band that runs around the top of the pool. These can be tiled in a number of items, including ceramic, porcelain, or stone tiles. Depending on which tile you choose can depend on the final price. The next item we look at as part of a pool renovation is the waterline tiles, which is the tile band that runs around at the waterline of the pool. Now, you don't have to have a waterline tile, however, we do recommend them for ease of maintenance and cleaning. You can choose between glass and ceramic mosaic tiles for your waterline band. This will change the price significantly and also change the look. On this pool, we've used this beautiful Cuban ceramic mosaic tile. The next part of a pool renovation we're going to talk about is the Pebblecrete interior. Now, you can have a standard black and white pebble on the interior, or you can add some glass beading to give the pool that extra bit of sparkle. And when you see this pool with the lights on, you'll understand why people invest a little bit extra money into the glass beading. And as you can see on this pool here, we've used a 20% glass bead mix. Another issue that you can attend to whilst your pool renovation is taking place is pool lighting. If you don't have a light and you want to install a new light, it's a good time to do that before you do your Pebblecrete and your coping. If you already have a light that you'd like to upgrade to an LED or maybe something that changes colours, absolute perfect time. On this pool, we've used a Spa Electrics pool light. When renovating your pool, it's the perfect time to check your filtration equipment to ensure it can keep up with your freshly renovated pool. Relocating your equipment is also a good idea. If it needs to be done, do it while the rest of the renovation is taking place. When renovating a pool, we ensure that you are creating enough space around the outside of the pool on the inside of the pool enclosure for seating, for shade, and to stay close to the kids while they're enjoying the pool. If you're thinking about renovating your pool, contact one of our friendly team for an obligation-free chat about how we can transform your pool just like this one.